Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Squarespace to Amazon S3 step by step clearly. To connect Squarespace to Amazon S3, start by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the S3 service within the AWS Management Console. Once in the S3 dashboard, click on the Create Bucket button. Select a unique name for your bucket and choose an appropriate region. Click on Create to finalize the bucket setup. Once your bucket is created, click on its name to enter the bucket configuration. In the bucket settings, go to the Permissions tab. Click on Block Public Access Settings and uncheck the box that says Block All Public Access. Acknowledge the warning and save your changes. Next, go to the Properties tab in your bucket. Scroll down to the Static Website Hosting section. Select the option to enable static website hosting. Enter index.html for the index document and save your changes. Now, navigate back to the Objects tab of your bucket. Click on Upload and select the files you wish to upload to Amazon S3. After your files are uploaded, go back to the Permissions tab. Click on Bucket Policy to set the necessary permissions. Paste a JSON policy that allows public access to the files, adjusting the bucket name as needed. Once the policy is applied, save your changes. Now, head over to your Squarespace account. In Squarespace, navigate to the page where you want to add the Amazon S3 files. Click on the plus icon to add a new block, and select the code block. In the code block, use the following HTML snippet to link to your S3 files. Replace the src attribute with the URL of your S3 file. Save your changes on Squarespace. Preview your website to ensure that the connection is successful and that your S3 files are accessible. You've now successfully connected Squarespace to Amazon S3. Your content should be seamlessly integrated, and visitors can access your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.